Ali and Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.
Fun with 3D shapes. Exploring our world in 3D. Hey there, my little mathematicians. Today, we're going to learn about an awesome math concept, which is 3D shapes. 3D shapes are not flat, but they pop out and are multi-dimensional. It means they have length, width, and height. Let's get started. Alright, let's meet our first shape. It's the mighty cube. The cube has 6 square faces. Can you spot a cube around you? Look at your toy box. Many building blocks are shaped like cubes. You might have a Rubik's Cube, which is a fun puzzle with colorful square faces. A dice is also a wonderful example of a cube. Now, let's say hello to our next friend, the marvelous sphere. A sphere is like a perfectly round ball. Do you know where we find spheres? Balls are spheres. Oranges and apples are examples of fruits that have a spherical shape. Planets like Earth are gigantic spheres floating in space. Next up, we have the incredible cylinder. A cylinder is like a tube with 2 circles on the ends. You'll find cylinders in everyday things. When you have a refreshing drink from a can, you're holding a cylinder. Look at a pencil or a crayon. They're shaped like cylinders and help us write and draw. Some buildings have tall cylinders called water towers, which store water for the town. Now, let's meet the awesome cone. A cone has a pointy tip and a round base. Do you enjoy ice cream? Ice cream cones are shaped like cones. When you go to a birthday party, you might see colorful party hats that are shaped like cones. Traffic cones are used on the road to guide and direct drivers. Hold on tight, because here comes the mighty pyramid. A pyramid has 4 triangular sides and a square base. Have you ever seen pictures of the pyramids in Egypt? They are huge stone structures shaped like pyramids. A juicy slice of watermelon reminds you of a pyramid. Who can forget Toblerone? The pyramid-shaped chocolate that everyone loves. Let's move on to the magical world of the torus. A torus is like a hollow circular ring with a hole in the center. A fun example of a torus shape is a delicious donut with a hole in the middle. Some swimming pools have donut-shaped floats called torus rings. If you look at the tires of a bicycle, you'll notice they are torus-shaped. Brace yourselves for the charming cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, just like a cube, but they're not all the same size. Can you find a cuboid-shaped object around you? Take a look at your books. Many boxes, like cereal boxes or shoe boxes, are shaped like cuboids. Buildings are also perfect examples of cuboid shapes. Now, let's meet our next friend, the fantastic prism. A prism has 3 rectangular sides and 2 triangular sides. Let us spot prisms around us. Be it a slice of cake or a yummy piece of cheese, both are shaped like a prism. Tents and army camps are shaped like prisms. Let's not forget the roof of a house. A perfect example of prism. Get ready to fly with the wonderful hemisphere. A hemisphere is round and curvy on one side but flat on the other. It is half of a sphere. Can you think of something that looks like a hemisphere? When you eat a scoop of ice cream, it has a shape similar to a hemisphere. An igloo is an example of a hemisphere. If you cut a coconut or an orange in half, you'll see a hemisphere shape. Wow, we had such a blast exploring the wonderful world of 3D shapes today. We met some incredible shapes like the cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, torus, cuboid, prism, and hemisphere. Remember, my little mathematicians, shapes are all around us, so keep your eyes open and keep discovering. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, bye-bye.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ali and Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.